Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are headed down I-43 from the north to south, getting off here at the South 151 highway exit in Manitowoc. We are headed to the Tesla Supercharger, and it's not a great right off the highway spot, as we'll see here. You got to kind of wind around. It's at a grocery store, so you know, grocery stores, I would say, are not typically immediately off highways. Anyway, but we got to wind through the area a little bit here. It is off the path a little bit, but not saying it's a bad stop. It's a good stop, but it's not directly immediately off the highway. So it could be better, but this is a good stop. So let's get charging.
Manitowoc, Wisconsin, Tesla Supercharger. We're in the parking lot of Festival. There's a Kwik Trip basically attached to the same parking lot. So there's lots of stuff to do. There's a bunch of restaurants around. So yeah, let's plug in. I did double check that the cable would reach before I finalized my parking location. But we've got the new Amphenol certified adapter. Definitely stuck on there, right? And doesn't want to. I like that this one, you don't need to press anything to insert the cable. That's nice, and it's nice and loud, and like, that's good. Let's plug in. So I do have plug and charge set up. Let's see what the car wants to do here. Okay, well, when you can just plug in your car and go through your dashboard and hit one button, that makes minimal hassle, very minimal. So I'm gonna go thumbs up on there. Expected speed, we're over 100 now, we're pulling 88. So that's about right where we should be at this point, almost 60% full battery. So thumbs up on expected speed. I will also say that this one's kind of got a little fan noise going, but it's actually pretty quiet here. So that's a thumbs up too. Nano cable, these things are so easy. I wish all charging cables were this easy to handle. So thumbs up for nano cable. And I'm kind of parked on the back side here, so I don't think maybe that I had to go as far into the curb as I'm looking at it now. It's actually not too bad. Like, I'm kind of over parked on the curb, but not as bad as I thought it might be. So that's not bad either. I like how you can have both sides. So somebody could come in and charge on that one. I'm not blocking spaces, so it's nice. Kind of a neat little feature. Amenities, so there is a bunch of stuff here. So we're gonna go one thumb up, but I don't see, there's nothing car related unless I go over to the Kwik Trip for like squeegee or, you know, with or without paper towel, hopefully with. No garbage cans here. So, you know, it's only getting one thumbs up because it's you could easily walk over to Kwik Trip or come in here and do your shopping at Festival. So one thumb up for amenities. So nano cable, thumbs up. Minimal hassle, certainly if you can do it right in the dashboard of your car, thumbs up. Expected speed, we're fine. We're pulling 85 still, and we're over 62%. We're right on line. So again, thumbs up and amenities. You know, if there was things like a squeegee and some garbage cans, maybe a recycling can here, I could see this being a 2 thumbs up station because you've got so many options for you know, grocery, food, whatever. But we're only gonna go 1 thumb up here. That still gives it a 4 for 4 rating in my book. So let's take a look around. We got a little bit more charging to do. This is only the second time that I've ever charged with this new Amphenol certified adapter. And the first time at a actual Tesla location. Previously it was at the Kwik Charge in Mount Horeb with one of their NACS cables, but this is the way it was meant to be, I think, right? A Tesla wand and an Amphenol adapter. Well, we are at about 70% battery, pulling still 79 kilowatts, so we are good. I'm gonna stop it in the car. And man, this thing is so quiet, you almost wouldn't know that it was still charging. But we are done here at in Manitowoc, and yeah, thanks to the Amphenol adapter and its first time it's touched a Tesla Supercharger. So another successful charge. So we're done here in Manitowoc. See you at the next charge.